Let's see. Well, it's not even attached. Ella, no. So, what had happened was, yeah, hey guys, it's Juliet. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Today we're actually discussing Ella, my Dracaena, who had an unfortunate accident. Story time. So, my son, my 10-month-old son, who's very quick on his feet and his hands, actually got to my Dracaena, which was actually just chilling on the side of my TV there, and it fell on its head. And this is what happened. Now, upon investigation, I found that there were these tiny white bugs in the soil. And when I discovered that, I actually gave it a drench. I gave it a drench first of all, but then I realized that the roots were actually falling apart. They were kind of really soft. They were black or brown, and basically once I touched them, they just kind of melted in my hand. So that's what happened. That's why my root ball is no longer a ball, and all the roots are gone. So I cleaned it up and kind of put it together as best as I could. So that's what happened to it. Now here she is all cleaned up, but as you can tell, it looks like the top part is leaning. So I don't know, at that point, once I repotted, I wasn't too sure. I was just thinking that it was maybe a little bent, and figured that, you know, it might straighten out with time, once it heals, once the roots are healed. But it looked okay once I was done repotting it. So here I am bottom watering my Dracaena Hawaiian Sunshine, and I was just about to remove it because it's nice and drenched in here. Well, not drenched, but nice and soaked with the water. And I'm just realizing that it's been severed from the fall when my son dropped it. So the top part is dying. I could feel that. I don't know. I'm actually still trying to save this one. I'm trying to save you, Ella. I'm trying to save you. But I'm gonna have to, I guess, just cut that part off, and let's see. Well, it's not even attached. Ella, no. Okay, so what next? Let's see what happens. I'm gonna take it out of the water now because it's, as I said, it soaked up enough water. And I'm gonna pour it out. And let's see what happens. We're just gonna hold on to her a little bit longer and see if something happens, if she starts to grow leaves from this center part here. Hopefully she can. I don't know, but I'm trying to save you, Ella. I'm trying. Stay tuned. So wait, can I propagate this? What do y'all think? Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try it out because there's a new leaf in there and it's not totally dry yet, so I'm gonna actually try and propagate this. Let's see. Oops, sorry guys, just trying to focus. I'll put it in water and see what happens. I'm not too sure if it's gonna work, but let's see if it grows some roots. Propagation time. Alright guys, so here's my attempt at propagating Ella, at least the top half of her. So I'm just gonna fill this with filtered water. This might be a little too much. And I'm just gonna plop her right in. I think I'm gonna take off a few of these leaves actually. Alright guys, so I've removed a couple leaves. Thinking about removing this one as well. That's the next one that would come off. But I want to leave something more than just the one top leaf for it to photosynthesize. Because this one it's been folded a little bit. So I don't know, for now I'll just leave it as is and propagate it this way and see what happens. I'll let you guys know what happens with these two, Ella 1 and Ella 2, I guess, at this point. Alright, thanks guys, have a good day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and turn on the notification bell, alright? Thanks for watching, guys.